So what sparked my interest in competitive growing was just kind of the wow factor in growing these monster vegetables. And when you think about it, these fruits are growing 20, 30 pounds a day, so it's just kind of incredible when you think about how a plant can support that. What gives you a giant fruit is two things, genetics, and the second component is a kind of environment. And what I mean by that is the environment is how you treat the plant, how you care for the plants. And so it thrives on both the genetics and the environment, and that you have to really care and spoon feed these plants along the way to get them to be big. So I've been growing competitive vegetables since 2010, actually. I started in Pennsylvania and grew my biggest pumpkin at 667 pounds in 2011, and kind of moved around a little bit since then, but have been growing close to 10 years. This is my second year competing at the State Fair, and I'm looking forward to the competition. We were fortunate enough to be at one of the most competitive watermelon growing areas in the world, where some of the world records are often weighed here, right here in North Carolina at the State Fair. So we're looking forward to that competition.